Hello, in this chess puzzle there's one move for white that'll get you a checkmate in 2. Anything else is actually a checkmate in 9 or worse. The black king is unable to move. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Checking the king with your rook won't get you a mate in 2. The king can move down to g4, and then if you try and check with your knight, the king can just take your pawn. Checking the king with your knight won't get you a mate in 2. The king can move down to f4, and then if you check with your rook, the king has some escape squares. Checking the king by moving your knight to h4 just blunders your knight. Then if you try and check the king with your other knight, the king can just escape taking your pawn. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you want some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to push your e-pawn. If black pushes their e-pawn, you can then move your knight to e7 to checkmate in 2. If black takes your pawn with their rook, you can then move your rook to g5 to checkmate in 2. And if black decides to move their rook to f4, you can move your knight to e7 to checkmate in 2. And if black moves their rook or bishop to g4, you can then move your rook to f6 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this one. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.